What is it?
It's
Everyone.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick
Tock. Ding! What is it?
Clock.
It's a... Yes, Ben. It's a clock.
It's a clock.
It's a clock. Yes, we're going to do Hickory,
Hickory,
Dickory,
Dickory,
Duck.
Duck.
Okay, and here is the clock that's called Hickory, Dickory, Duck.
Hickory, Dickory, Duck.
Good. Okay, and the clock goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, ding, ding, ding. Good. Okay. Okay. So we're ready. And on this clock, some animals go. They kind of run up, and run down.
Down.
Okay. Good. Go up.
Go up.
Go down.
Go down. Up.
Go up.
Go up.
Go
down. Go up. Go down.
Excellent. I think we're ready. Now we have some animals. We have a mouse.
A mouse.
We have a snake. Ooh, excellent. A snake.
A snake.
We have
Monkey.
yes, a monkey. Excellent.
A monkey.
Great. Everyone, monkeys.
Monkey. A
Mouse. A mouse. A
snake.
Good. We also have a. It's very small. Yeah. And it's called. It eats nuts, and it's called a
Squirrel.
squirrel. Good.
Okay.
Everyone, a squirrel.
A squirrel.
A squirrel. Good. We have a squirrel, and we have a cat.
A cat. A cat.
And at the very end, there's a big surprise. There's a big surprise, so we'll see what happens. Okay. And these animals are going to
Go up.
and go
Go
down. Okay. Are you ready? Who wants to be the mouse?
I want to be the mouse.
Excellent.
You're the mouse.
There you go. Who wants to be the snake?
I want to be the snake.
Okay. Who wants to be the squirrel?
I want to be the squirrel.
Okay. Who wants to be the monkey?
I want to be the monkey.
Oh!
I want to be the monkey.
That's great for you. Who wants to be the cat?
I want to be the cat.
There you go.
Thank you.
And who wants to be the surprise?
I want to be the surprise.
It's, as you can tell, it's a very big animal. Are you okay, Ben?
Yes,
Can you do that?
okay.
Okay, so I want to be the clock.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
And you're going to listen. So everyone, move over here in the classroom. And when you hear your animal, you come and you go up and down. Got it?
Okay.
Okay? And you're going to sing with me. Ready? Hickory dickory dock.
Hickory dickory dock.
The mouse.
The mouse
went up the clock.
Went
up the
Mouse.
It's me.
Okay, the mouse went up the clock.
The mouse
Went
up the clock. The clock struck one. Ding!
The clock struck one.
Ding! The mouse went down.
The mouse went down.
Hickory dickory dock. Tick.
Hickory dickory dock.
Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock. Good. Hickory dickory dock.
Hickory dickory dock.
Where's number 2? Snake, okay. The snake went up the clock.
The snake went up the clock.
The clock struck ding, ding, 2.
Two.
Ding. The snake went down.
The snake went down.
Hickory dickory dock.
Hickory dickory dock.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. The squirrel went up the clock.
The squirrel went up the clock.
The clock struck 3.
The
ding,
clock
struck 3.
Ding, ding, ding. The squirrel went down.
The squirrel went down.
Hickory dickory dock.
Hickory dickory dock.
Tick tock, tick
Tock,
tick tock, tick tock.
Hickory dickory dock.
The monkey went up the clock. The clock struck 4. Ding, 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 ding. The monkey went down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. The cat went up the clock. Up. The clock struck 5. Everyone, 5. Ding, 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 ding. The cat went down.
The cat went
Down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick
Tock,
tick
tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Oh no. Haha, the clock is going to strike 6. Uh-oh. And I see a big animal.
It's a surprise.
What animal? What's a big animal?
Whale.
A whale. It could be a whale. We will see. Huh? It's not a whale then?
Dragon.
It's not a whale? Not a dragon?
No.
No?
A big
You see.
I'm a little scared. Okay, everyone. Together. Hickory dickory dock. The
The elephant went up